As blockchain technology is becoming a driving force in the global economy, it is also gaining critical acclaim in the e-commerce industry. E-commerce is among the sectors that are increasingly using blockchain technologies to facilitate financial transactions. Challenges in this sector for existing crypto tokens are how to connect retailers with big companies like Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba, and also how to connect them easily with small web shops. Kadven token is the answer. They are trying to revolutionize e-commerce through blockchain technology. How will they do that? Let's see first, what is Kadven token? Kadven reinvents the e-commerce buying experience with a blockchain payment gateway, a decentralized product and merchant credibility and review system, and worldwide logistics with door-to-door delivery. Acting as a central purchasing and delivery node to traditional online marketplaces and e-stores, Kadven will achieve instant scalability, with thousands of brands and millions of real-world products available for purchase at no markup and transparent exchange rates to the crypto community. Kadven is the first blockchain-enabled marketplace whose engineering and business processes was developed from the ground up with blockchain technology in mind. Our goal is to allow other traditional merchants to seamlessly adopt Kadven's suite of e-commerce blockchain tools to expand their businesses. So why Kadven token is a good investment? In short, they plan to have their protocol that will automatically transfer any other cryptocurrency to Kadven token with best rates and almost no fee. This is important because any e-commerce workshop can quickly adapt to Kadven token payment. They can connect their webshop through open Kadven API platform and add payment through crypto with Kadven token very quickly. The good thing is that if customers don't yet have Kadven tokens, they can exchange it automatically by sending Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, and BNB to Kadven wallet, and they will get instantly changed and paid on that webshop. Mission is to improve user experience when paying with crypto. The process will be like they are paying with a credit card. This is just one side of the project. Also, another interesting side is that Kadven and their blockchain technology is to be ready for the virtual world, or the so-called metaverse. To pay for something in the virtual world, you'll have to have real-world currency that you can transfer to the virtual world. Exactly, this will be able to do with Kadven token in real time. Kadven token is developing their own Kadven currency protocol on top of Kadven exchange protocol. In other words, this is the only token that will be ready for fast and reliable payments in the metaverse. And Facebook Metaverse is only the beginning of Virtual Oasis. More interesting projects better than Facebook are coming through the blockchain platform. In any case, only Kadven token will be ready for this transformation, the Metaverse transformation. For more information, check their website, white paper, and official social channels like Telegram and Twitter. They respond very quickly.